Right guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of welding on the smart car and hopefully getting it sorted ready for an MOT. This has been a long awaited job that we've been putting off for far too long. So that said, before we get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Help us grow, help us reach more people. It's much appreciated. Let's get into it. So basically we're going to be welding up the two holes in each side of the tritium saddle. This is where the mud builds up somehow behind the wheel arch liners, and then it just gets eaten away. Basically it starts off as a stud that was there originally for holding the wheel arch liner, and it just rots from the inside out. As well as that, we've got to weld up a patch in the front end here, because basically on the driver's side we actually have a hole sort of, it's about where the pedals are, to describe it as best I can. And that's just going to get a little patch on it. That's going to be nice and easy. This shouldn't be too bad of a job. I've already made the plates up that sat on the dashboard in the car there, so let's get to it. Right, so Ben's got it all welded up now on this side, so we've just got to get some seam sealer on there and get it painted back up to try and stop it rusting again. Right, so we've got the seam sealer on there now. I've just smushed it absolutely everywhere just to make sure the water doesn't get in there again, and then I'll hit it with a bit of paint, lacquer, and job's a peach. Right guys, so we're almost at the end of the journey now, at last. This has almost been a year-long process of restoring this questionable smart, at best. So, on to the fun stuff after this. We're almost ready for an MOT now. I've just got a couple of bulbs to change, and that means taking the front end off again. But that said, we're done here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you in the next one.